friends, it's Awilda here. Thank you so much for joining me. So today I am going to be working on my planner, and I thought I'd have you tag along while I plan this week's spread. I'm going to be keeping it super simple and just kind of do a minimalist spread. I thought to kind of have like maybe a washi around the border and maybe a couple of stickers, just keep it very minimalistic. So this week's spread is actually the 22nd, or rather March 22nd until the 28th, and I'm going to be using this very thin washi tape. I have a little bit left, just enough to do the outer borders of this spread, as well as I'm going to be using my planner stickers from the memory keeping one. I apologize if that's not the right one. I tend to forget which sticker book I'm using. But it's just going to be a super minimalistic look with a couple of washis around the border and some stickers. So unfortunately last week I wasn't able to share with you my planner spread for the week. I actually lost some of the footage from that planner spread. So what I wanted to do was at the end of this one, I'm going to share last week's video just so you guys can have an idea of the different styles that I'm doing every week. I did mention last time that I was going to do kind of like a Cinderella theme for every week, but I couldn't find any of the stickers that I really liked. So instead of just forcing it, I decided to just do every week something different for the week. And as you can see here in this week's spread, I am doing kind of like a spring spread. It is now that we are in the spring season, I thought it'd be really fun to kind of add some flowers and maybe a couple of plants here and there and some pretty pinks in here. So this week my kids actually go back to school almost full time. Initially they were learning kind of like a hybrid learning. They would go to school 2 days a week and remote learn 2 days a week and have Wednesdays kind of be their off day, which they still had classes, but it was more like just catching up on the classes that the teachers weren't able to help them with. So it's almost like having a tutoring day. So this week is officially the week that they go back to school. They're kind of excited because they get to see their friends in class instead of just seeing them on occasion or talking to them over the phone. So, and I'm also excited for them to go back to school because then I can have a normal weekly routine. That's something I truly missed. It was so hard to film when I had the kids here, but now that we have a normal schedule, I can jump back into my regular routine and share with you some amazing content that I have for you from here on out. Now going back to this planner here, as you can see, I have added some flowers and some roses. I just want to keep it super minimalistic and just have a couple of things here and there and write down anything that's going to be happening in that week.
I go anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new, let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing?
So here we have last week's spread. As you can see, I am just gluing down some paper onto the spread itself and just decorating it a little bit different than what I did with the spread before and the spread for this week. I had a lot of fun creating this video. It was so much fun to cut everything down, and it was such an unfortunate thing that I lost some of the footage, but like I said, I was able to salvage some of it and share with you this little bit. So I'm just going to stop talking here and just play some music for the rest of this video. If you have any questions, definitely let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and you are interested in videos like this, as well as motivational videos for cleaning, DIYs, organization, and home renovation, then definitely subscribe and also click the notification bell so you'll be notified of when I post future videos. Until next time, guys, enjoy the rest of this video, and I shall see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. Do it on repeat. The night is young. Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the